Accounting as we know it is changing forever. In the next few years, AI will revolutionize the field, impacting everything from daily tasks to the very role of accountants. In this video, we'll explore how AI is poised to fundamentally reshape the accounting landscape, and most importantly, what you need to do and know to stay ahead in 2025. By the end of this video, you'll understand the key ways AI is transforming accounting and the skills you need to thrive. Let's get started. So, what's actually happening in the accounting world right now? Well, it's a bit of a perfect storm. Workloads are increasing due to complex regulations and growing businesses. But this is about to change, because AI is about to revolutionize everything. How will AI really impact your job, your business, and the future of accounting? To understand that, let's first look at the current state of the accounting landscape. Before we talk about the future, let's understand the limitations of the present. We're in a unique situation. Businesses are growing, and regulations are becoming more complex. This means more work, not less. And the technology? Much of the software being used is outdated, often lacking integration capabilities, making it difficult to share data between different systems, relying on manual data entry, which is prone to errors and incredibly time-consuming. And many weren't designed to handle the complexities of modern business, such as e-commerce and global transactions. This outdated tech is a huge problem, but AI is poised to provide solutions. So how can AI help? And what does it mean for the future of the profession? Let's take a look at how AI is already impacting the field. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a game changer for accounting. Think of it as a powerful new tool in your accounting arsenal. Think about automating those tedious tasks like data entry, reconciliations, and even basic financial analysis. In fact, AI can perform many of these tasks in just 20% of the time it takes a human. That's an 80% reduction in time spent on manual processes. With AI, we'll see chat, voice, and agents driving the next wave of innovation. Imagine just talking to your accounting software. This means faster processes, fewer errors, and more time for accountants to focus on what really matters. The role of the accountant will shift from doer to reviewer, from back office to middle office. Imagine the accountant not just crunching numbers in the back office, but acting as a bridge between AI-driven insights and strategic business decisions. That's the middle office. This shift will allow accountants to be more involved in high-level decision-making, using their expertise to guide businesses towards greater success. AI will enhance efficiency and elevate the role of accountants, moving them to a more strategic advisory role. Of course, this kind of transformation doesn't come without its challenges. Integrating AI isn't without its hurdles. Here's what you need to be aware of. AI can lead to incredible innovation in accounting services, making them cheaper and more accessible. But the traditional billable hour model might be disrupted. This could potentially lead to lower costs for clients, incentivize firms to focus on delivering value rather than simply logging hours, and create a more transparent and predictable pricing structure for clients. How will firms adapt? This is a crucial question the industry needs to address. There are also concerns about data security and the potential for AI to be used in fraudulent activities. AI could potentially create more convincing fake documents or identify vulnerabilities in financial systems. This makes the auditor's role even more crucial, requiring them to be more vigilant and tech-savvy. And what about the black box problem? How can we trust AI's decisions if we don't understand them? Imagine a box where data goes in and the answer comes out, but you can't see what happens inside. That's the AI black box problem. This opaqueness can be a challenge for auditing and accountability. Plus, while firm leaders might see the ROI, individual accountants and different departments might be skeptical about job security or resistant to change due to the perceived costs of implementation, the need for training, and the potential disruption to existing workflows. So, while the potential is immense, we need to address these challenges proactively. What are your biggest concerns about integrating AI into accounting? Let us know in the comments. Now, let's get practical. What are some of the specific ways AI can be applied in accounting? LLMs, large language models, are amazing at processing unstructured data. Think about all those invoices, receipts, and bank statements. AI can handle them. AI can also assist with research. Need an opinion on a complex transaction? AI can provide insights based on accounting principles. And yes, AI is even being used to generate reports and assist with tax filings, even for individuals and small businesses. Many accounting firms are already using AI to automate tasks like invoice processing and bank reconciliations. There are AI tools available that can help with tax preparation and financial analysis. AI-powered tools could empower small business owners to manage their finances more effectively, even without hiring a full-time accountant. These tools can significantly reduce the time and effort required for these tasks, freeing up accountants and small business owners to focus on more strategic work. Also, soon we will see accounting-specific AI models emerge that can answer any question about laws, regulations, and provide financial modeling and scenarios instantly. These are just a few examples, and the capabilities of AI in accounting are constantly expanding. With all these changes, you might be wondering, what does the future hold for accountants? The future of accounting is changing, and it will require adaptation. This is about thriving in a new landscape, as many jobs will be replaced. The consensus is clear: AI will eventually transform accounting. With AI taking on more tasks, we can expect a significant reduction in the need for human accountants in the next 5 to 10 years. This isn't about eliminating jobs entirely, but about redefining the role of the accountant. The auditor of the future will use AI to analyze vast datasets and identify patterns that would be impossible for a human to detect. They will focus on assessing risks associated with AI systems themselves, ensuring they're accurate, unbiased, and secure. And perhaps most importantly, they will act as a strategic advisor, helping businesses navigate the complex ethical and regulatory landscape of AI. Accountants will need to develop new skills. Data interpretation, risk assessment, and strategic advising will be highly valued, along with a deep understanding of how to leverage AI in their work. In the near future, AI will be able to crunch numbers, interpret the data, identify risks, and provide strategic guidance. The focus for human accountants will shift to value-added services like financial planning, risk management, and business consulting. Accountants will become strategic advisors, helping businesses make better decisions based on AI-powered insights. Accountants will guide AI by defining parameters, setting rules, and validating outputs. Think of it like teaching the AI the nuances of accounting that go beyond simple calculations. The future of accounting belongs to those who embrace continuous learning. Start exploring online courses, workshops, and resources related to AI, accounting, and data analytics. Don't wait. Take the initiative and start building the skills you need for the future today. Adaptability is key. Let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. We've covered a lot of ground, but here's what you really need to take away. We've seen how the accounting landscape is changing, how AI offers solutions and challenges, and how it's already being used today. All of this points to one conclusion: get ready for a new era in accounting, powered by AI. But this isn't something to fear. It's an opportunity to elevate the profession and your role within it. By understanding these changes and adapting, you can ensure a successful and rewarding career in the age of AI. AI will change accounting forever. and 2025 is a critical year to prepare. It's crucial to understand that AI is both a human replacement and a powerful tool for those who stay in the field. Prioritize developing skills in data analytics, AI management, and strategic thinking. You must embrace lifelong learning to stay ahead of the curve. Be prepared to move from a doer to a reviewer and advisor, focusing on higher-level analysis and guidance. The future of accounting is collaborative, with humans and AI working together. By embracing these changes, you'll not only survive, but thrive in the new world of accounting. Want to unlock the power of AI? Our free newsletter gives you the tips, trends, AI news, and tools you need to succeed. Sign up with the link in the description below. Your journey doesn't stop here. Watch our next video right here and keep building your knowledge.